I'm Sam.
And I'm Travis, and welcome to our new Lincoln building.
Today we want to give you a tour of the new building, and first we're going to start with how to get to the new building once you're on our campus. Alright, now that you're here, let's go take a look inside. When you get out of your car, you're going to see this north side, and these are the best doors to walk in, so follow me. Alright, when you get here, Paul is going to be the first face you see.
Alright guys, let's show you around. So right here, we have our customer lounge over here, refreshments right behind the bar, service advisor office, sales manager office, showroom piece, customer pavilion, and black pavilion right behind that.
When you're here, feel free to help yourself, make yourself at home behind the counter, grabbing whatever you want to drink, a cup of coffee, and any of our snacks. And Travis and my office are right